Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emelie. In this video we're going to take a closer look at the new Slimline Rooftop border die. This is a part of Trinity Stamps' new holiday release called Warm and Cozy. This die is, in this die set you only get one die, and you can see how nicely it will fit on top of a slimline card. You will also see in some examples from the design team that you can cut it down and have it on top of a standard A2 size card. This die set, as you can see, creates a silhouette of roofs of houses, and you can see here how nicely this is on top of a slimline card and also on an A2 size card front. And if you want even more inspiration, you can visit Trinity Stamps Instagram, Facebook and blog. And I will now leave you with some inspiration from the design team. I hope you will have a great day and that we will be back soon with more inspiration. Bye!